Building a powerful PC starts with choosing the right case, and that choice affects airflow, cooling, looks, and even how easy your build feels from start to finish. Today on Tech Fact, we're diving into the top 5 best PC cases in 2026, carefully picked for gamers, creators, and everyday builders who want performance with style. These cases stand out for smart design, strong airflow, modern features, and real-world usability, not just flashy looks. If you're planning a new build or upgrading your setup this year, this list will save you time and help you make the right decision with confidence. Before we jump in, hit the like button if PC content helps you out, subscribe to Tech Fact for more honest tech videos, and drop a comment telling us which case catches your eye. Number 5. Fractal Design Meshify 2. For builders who prioritize airflow and expandability above all else, the Fractal Design Meshify 2 delivers on both counts. Its signature angular mesh front panel doesn't just look sharp, it lets massive volumes of fresh air rush into your system for cooler temperatures across CPU and GPU loads. Support for large radiators up front and up top, plus space for multiple fan configurations, makes this chassis perfect for both air and water cooling setups. Internally it's designed for flexibility. You can fit ARGB motherboards, large GPUs up to around 467mm, and a huge array of storage thanks to modular drive cages. Cable routing is smooth, with thoughtful channels and removable filters across the front, top, and bottom for easy maintenance. It's more understated in aesthetic than some RGB-heavy designs, but for serious builders who want performance and build quality without unnecessary flair, it's a top pick you can count on. Number 4. Corsair Frame 4000 DRS ARGB. The Corsair Frame 4000 DRS ARGB blends modular flexibility with strong cooling chops. Its innovative InfiniRail fan mounting system lets you place 120mm to 200mm fans exactly where you want them, unlocking tailored airflow patterns without compromises. Out of the box it includes 3 RS120 ARGB PWM fans, giving a balance of performance and lighting without being over the top. The modular case system means parts like the front I/O panel or motherboard tray can be upgraded later, future-proofing your build. You also get support for dual 360mm radiators and reverse connector motherboards for ultra-clean cable routing. The spacious interior accommodates large GPUs and full-sized PSUs, and cable management is thoughtful with built-in Velcro straps. Stylish tempered glass and ARGB accents give a modern vibe without cluttering your desk space. All told, it's a versatile pick that borders between enthusiast airflow and customizable design. Number 3. NZXT H5 Flow. The NZXT H5 Flow nails the sweet spot between performance and practicality. Its high airflow front panel and well-ventilated design help drop temperatures meaningfully compared to solid front panels, making it great for both gaming and productivity builds. The interior is compact yet roomy enough for full-size ATX components, and its cable management channels are intuitive, making clean builds easier even for first-timers. While stock cooling comes with a couple of 120mm fans, the mesh design lets you expand that to larger and more powerful configurations without running into bottlenecks. Radiator support includes front and top mounts, so you can fit sizable AIO liquid coolers if desired. Aesthetically, the H5 Flow balances a modern look with minimalist lines that fit any setup without screaming for attention. Overall it's one of the few mid-towers that feels both enthusiast-ready and everyday relatable at the same time. Number 2. HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite. If you want a PC case that feels futuristic, the HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite delivers that with an integrated 14.9-inch 2.5K capacitive touchscreen right on the chassis. This isn't just decoration, the multi-touch panel lets you display system stats, controls, or custom visuals, bringing a new layer of interaction usually missing from PC cases. Behind the screen, the dual-chamber layout gives excellent cable routing and airflow, while tempered glass panels put your components front and center. Support for vertical graphics cards and a luxury PCIe 4.0 riser means even the largest GPUs look epic inside. Cooling isn't an afterthought either. You can mount radiators up to 360mm on both top and side, and the layout supports up to 10 fans for serious airflow. Storage and build customization are solid, too, with removable drive sleds and labeled routing paths. It's a premium pick that pairs form and function in one bold package. Number 1. MONTECH King 95 Pro. The MONTECH King 95 Pro is a standout choice for anyone who wants a high-end aesthetic without paying premium pricing. It uses a dual-chamber design that splits your build into 2 zones, helping with airflow and cable management while showing off your hardware through panoramic curved glass. It comes with 6 pre-installed ARGB fans and a built-in fan hub, which makes cooling plenty capable right out of the box. You get room for massive GPUs up to 420mm long and big air coolers, so even enthusiast builds fit comfortably. Radiator support is broad too, with space for up to a 360mm on top and 240mm on the side, giving flexibility for custom water cooling or AIO setups. The tool-less panels and wide internal space make builds feel effortless and tidy. While the dual chamber increases footprint a bit, the overall build quality, airflow capability, and visual flair make this case one of the most compelling mid-tower choices in 2026. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best PC cases in 2026, each one offering something unique for different build styles and budgets. Whether you care most about airflow, clean looks, or future-proof features, one of these cases can easily be the foundation of your next PC. All the products shown in this video are available in the description below for easy checking. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe to Tech Fact for more tech reviews, and comment your favorite pick or build plans.